try it. Oh my gosh, hindi kasya sa ulo. Hello you guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dory! So, I'm back. I'm so sorry kung hindi ako consistent mag-upload sa YouTube kasi tinatamad talaga ako. Tsaka hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung mako-content ko. Kasi yung iniisip ko lang yung makeup. I'm trying to film din sa mga paggawa ko ng mga damit. Pero, hindi ko siya masyadong film kasi napakahirap mag-film ng paggawa ng damit kasi palagi kasi akong gumagalaw, like punta doon, punta dito, like napakahirap mag-film talaga, lalo na yung process. I'm so sorry talaga. I really tried my best to film it, pero I always ended up failing. Meron akong mga small clips para lang sa TikTok. So now, kauuwi ko lang galing downtown. Pumunta kami sa Gaisano para bumili ng mga fabrics. So, yung nabili ko ay different kinds of colors, pero isang type of fabric lang. Yung nabili kong fabric ay peach skin fabric. Yun ba yun? I'm not sure, pero yun yung naalala ko. Peach skin fabric, nagagamit to siya sa iba't ibang garments, crafts, or any decorations. But it is mostly used in clothing like blouses, dresses, and skirts. So I bought 5 different colors of peach skin fabric. The primary colors, which is the blue, the yellow, and the red. And also I bought neutrals, which is the black and the white. So ito lang muna yung nabili ko kasi yung mga basic color scheme lang muna yung gagawin ko. First color I'm gonna do is the white. Since I'm done with the black, now I'm looking at the Pinterest. So I'm trying to find something. I want like puffy sleeves or bishop sleeve. I want to have like this one. I want that. Oh, this is so nice. Ang hirap yan. So, oh, this is so nice. I love puffy sleeves. I also want to make a pants, but hindi pa ako marunong. Let's look around. Baka may mahanap pa ako. So now I decided what I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make a top, which is a crop top and has a turtleneck. And for the sleeve, it is a bishop sleeve. So yun yung gagawin ko. So this is from Pinterest. And hindi ko na siya babaguhin kasi nandyan na lahat eh. Nandyan na yung gusto kong designs. So now I'm gonna sketch the design kasi para bongacious. Practice din to kasi I really wanted to be a fashion designer. I-draw ko lang siya para makapag-practice din ako mag-draw ng fashion illustration. So I'm done with my fashion illustration of the design, and this is what it looks like. So next we're gonna make the pattern of the top. So here are the materials that I'm gonna use. First is the fabric of my choice, which is the peach skin fabric. And next are the tools, the triangle, the French curve, the hip curve, the pins, pin cushion, and some scissors. some manila paper for the pattern making, a marker, pencil, and eraser, a measuring tape for my measurements, my notebook for my notes, an old shirt for the pattern tracing, a sewing machine, and I have here Becky, my dress form. And now I lay my manila paper and tape the corners para hindi siya lumipad. And I have here my old shirt to trace the pattern. This is a baggy shirt since the design is kind of bulgy. We need a bigger amount of size of shirt for the gatherings. And here I make sure that the seams are flattened and good enough to trace.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh baby, I need you love me. Hey, hey. Cause I love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy.
I also added 1 inch allowance for all of the sides.
I don't care if I am fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye. I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in.
For the sleeves, I divided into 6 sections and I cut it and spread it. The more you spread, the more it will puff, and I tip it down and I traced it again.
Let's take it slow.
So here we already have our front and back bodies, our sleeves, and our collar pattern. And now I will transfer it into the fabric. I pinned it down and cut it and do the same to the other patterns.
Ask me how we got here, cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking.
So I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh! Hindi kasya sa ulo ko. So I'm gonna use seam ripper to cut off the seams. Yan, kasya na siya. So, yeah, ganun dapat siya. Here, I'm using my sewing machine and stitching it with straight stitch.
You've been told don't blink, don't run.
And gathering the neckline.
My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gonna
So, I'm gonna iron it to flat the seams.
again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks.
Saka ganun pa. Tatahiin ko muna siya. Hindi ko siya masusukat kasi nakapin siya. Baka matusok ako. Medyo okay na siya pero masyado siyang mahaba. So since mahaba siya, babawasan ko siya ng 2 cm. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So for now, yung medyo natapos ko ay yung bodies at saka yung turtleneck. So next, I'm gonna do the sleeves. So I've got the sleeves here and the cuffs. So here I'm pinning the edges and I'm gonna stitch it with straight stitch. And here I'm gathering the edges to fit it into the armhole of the bodies and stitching it with straight stitch. So yeah, kailangan siya i-cut dito para ma-lift up yung sleeve. Kasi nandito siya sa baba. So yeah, there you go. So I will gather this and make it puff. So this is my workstation. It's super messy. There's Becky. We're having a doggy break. Hello, Oreo. Oreo. Hi, Oreo. You're cute. Here I'm gathering the end of the sleeves and hand stitching it because hindi siya gumagana sa sewing machine. And here are my cuffs, hand stitching it with straight stitch and turning it inside out and ironing it to flatten the seams. And here I'm attaching the cuffs into the sleeves. I'm gonna add this button sa cuff length. Lalagay ko siya dito. So, it's already 9:43 and yung natapos ko lang yung bodies, yung collar at saka yung sleeve. So, ipapagpatuloy ko na lang to bukas kasi I'm super tired na. Nag-start kasi ako mga 1 PM kaya late na. I think yung collar i-adjust ko kasi na hindi siya nasa gitna, nasa gilid siya. I'm gonna cut it and konting adjustment na lang. So I'm gonna clean up first and probably go to sleep na kasi I'm super tired na. See you tomorrow! Good morning! So, it's already, what time is it? It's already 8 o'clock. And, yung kailangan ko naman lang gawin ay yung other sleeve, yung waistline, at saka i-adjust ko na lang yung collar. So, yun na lang. Kakain lang ako, maliligo, toothbrush, and let's go back to work.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So, I'm back at ipagpatuloy na natin yung ginagawa nating damit. Kaya, ito, in-attach ko lang to para makita kung ano yung itsura talaga niya. So, since we're doing the sleeves, we're gonna hem the sides para mag-close siya. about you. So I'm gonna gather this first. So now I'm gonna hand stitch it kasi hindi siya kumakaya sa sewing machine. So I'm done with the other sleeve, and now I'm gonna attach it to the bodice. Okay, I'm done. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's time to fit it. Kung kasya ba? OMG. It's so beautiful. So I'm done with the sleeves, and next is the waist. So after the waist, I'm gonna adjust the collar. I have here a garter. I'm gonna measure it with my waist. So here I'm stitching the garter with straight stitch and adjusting the collar and attaching it once again. And last but not the least, my ribbon. So my top is already finished, and I will wear it and style it at mag-aayos muna ako. So, hi guys! Ito na po yung final look. Success yung naging DIY natin. I really love the outcome. Like, it's super nice. Hindi ko talaga inakala na magiging ganito siya kaganda at magiging successful. Kasi, first time ko tong gawin. Mostly, yung nagkagawa ko yung mga off-shoulders lang. Kasi, yun yung parang madali lang gawin. I only did my technique. Promise, hindi ko talaga siya inakala na magiging successful talaga siya. So, medyo masikip lang dito na part, pero pwede ko siyang tanggalin dito kasi naka-hook and eye lang siya. Yung na-feel ko lang naman sa tingin ko, yung collar, kasi medyo masikip. Yun lang. So, for this video, pinakita ko kung paano ko ginawa, kung paano ko siya ginagawa para magka-idea naman kayo kung ako ba talaga yung gumagawa nito. So, so yeah, it's me. I do this alone and with Becky, syempre. I remember this hat from H&M that I bought in Hong Kong. So, if you want to see more, just subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos, and click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed yung mga kabaliwan ko. So thank you. Bye!
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.